The subject of today's video is to know how to get followers on Threads. Let's have a look. Activate your Threads account. Install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone. If there isn't one already, then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I'll demonstrate the quickest methods to know how to get followers on Threads. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. What you have to do is simply open your Threads profile as I have opened it. Tap the Followers button just below the username. Another page will be shown with the options of followers, followings, and pending. Followers is a list of profiles that follow you. Following is the list of profiles of whom you have followed. The pending is the list of profiles that you have followed, but they are still in the process of accepting your follow request. Now the question is how to get followers? This is simply by following more and more people and interacting with them by liking and commenting on their threads and posts. The other way is to create new threads. By pressing the notebook and pen icon from exactly the center bottom. Your post should be interesting and entertaining. That must have the ability to engage more and more people on your threads. So this is the simple way to get more followers on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.